Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Ali Sekandar. I am going to explain down vocabulary of editorial opposition's elation published on December 25th, 2021. Let's get started now. Number one is elation. This is verb. It means shadmani ya khushi, a feeling of great happiness and excitement. Synonym joy, delight. Example: she felt a great sense of elation as she started on the journey. Number two is trounce. This is a verb. It means zabardast shikast dena, to defeat somebody completely. Synonyms: beat, thresh. Example 1: he was roundly trounced in the last November's election. Example 2: the trouncing of the PTI in the first phase of local government elections has come as a significant blow to the ruling party. Number 3 is dent. This is verb and noun. As a verb, it means चोट लगाना या निशान लगाना, to damage somebody's confidence, reputation, etc. Synonym hollow, depress. Example: it seemed that nothing could dent his confidence. Number 4 is ecstatic. This is adjective. It means nihayat purjosh, very happy, excited, and enthusiastic, or feeling or showing great enthusiasm. Synonyms: delighted, entranced. Example: she was ecstatic about her new job. Number 5 is boast. This is a verb and noun. As a verb, it means किसी काबिल तारीफ खसूसियत का हामिल होना. To talk in a way that shows you are too proud of something that you have or can do. Synonyms: brag, vaunt. Example 1: she boasted about her achievements. Example 2: Maulana Fazl Rahman has boasted that his JUF is the largest political force in the province. Number 6 is asked. This is a verb. It means बेदखल करना या हटा देना. To force somebody out of a job or position of power, especially in order to take their place. Synonym: expel, drive out. Example: he was ousted as chairman. Number 7 is ride on. This is a phrasal verb usually used in the progressive tenses. It means to depend on something. Example 1: my whole future is riding on this interview. Example 2: though they are riding on the recent wave of the JUF's success and PTS defeat in the KP polls. Number 8 is fiasco. This is noun. It means badanjami ya ruswai, something that does not succeed, often in a way that makes people feel embarrassed. Synonyms: disaster, failure. Example 1: the party was a complete fiasco. Example 2: the fiasco in KP was due to both low party morale and the selection of the wrong candidates, as admitted by the PM himself. Number 9 is betray. This is a verb. It means daga kana, be unfaithful, or reveal unconsciously or unwillingly. Synonyms: cheat, be disloyal to. Example: the spy betrayed his country by selling military secrets to the enemy. Number 10 is disarray. This is a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means badnazmi, disorderly or untidy state. Synonyms: confusion, upset. Example 1: the peace talks broke up in disarray. Example 2: after the New Year's party, the once orderly house was in total disarray. Number 11 is wrangle. This is a verb and a noun. As a verb, it means किसी बात पर लड़ना. Obtain through arguing. Synonym: quarrel, argue. Example: they wrangled over their inheritance. Number 12 is impactful. This is adjective. It means pur asar, having a major impact or effect. Example: It was a hugely impactful advertising campaign. Number 13 is fumble. This is a verb and noun. As a verb, it means भटकना या इधर उधर हाथ मारना. To have difficulty speaking clearly or finding the right words to say. Synonym grope, flounder. Example, during the interview, she fumbled helplessly for words. Number 14 is mire. This is a verb and noun. As a verb, it means दलदल में धंसना या फंसना. Stick in swampy ground. Synonym entangle or bog. Example, the wheels sank deeper into the mire. Number 15 and last is fizzle out. This is a phrasal verb. It means to gradually become less successful and end in a disappointing way. Example, her parents are hoping that the relationship will fizzle out.